Hello YouTube, this is Krosama, and here, I believe is part 4. Yeah, let's go with part 4. So yeah. Alright. Let's keep on going. We're in the top floor. It's a big ass school.
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please.
Did he have fish in his hand? What the hell is... Is it knives? Oh, okay. Sushi Master Morikawa. What the hell is she doing?
It looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
Oh, you're so funny.
Morikawa Sensei is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
He's probably the only veteran zombie hunter. Shit, I've never heard that. What the fuck? That came out of fucking nowhere.
My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
Okay.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions.
Okay, why is there elephants? What the hell?
Rotten world and our dimension. There are dimensional walls.
Okay, I'm gonna say the demons represent Rotten World, and I guess angels represent the land beyond, whatever the fuck it was. But why does the hell does Earth have elephants?
And fellow students inhale these gases, which transform
fucking druggies.
Undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and a rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return.
You don't say.
What we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
What the fuck? He just fucking ported? This isn't Dragon Ball Z, guy. This is fucking Lollipop Chainsaw. That was complete horseshit.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3.
Sweet. Get the hell off me. Oh my god. Dog pile. Yep. Look at that. Look. Points out the ass. Yeah. How did I do that again?
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest music plays for a week ever.
My favorite song. Aw, man. Lollipop. Lollipop real quick. Alright, don't make them touch the shit. Gotta kill 24. Probably ain't that hard. Alright, come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, zombie. God damn. Come on, die already. Alright. Come on. Oh, no, you don't, bud. Thought you was gonna get it. Alright, come on. I know. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Wait, wait. I think we're good. Alright, alright. I think we're good. Alright, we're getting close. We're getting close right now. But almost a third. Alright, now we're a third there. Come on. Yeah, look at all those. Yes, I am rich. Alright. What the hell? I thought he was gonna come after me. God damn it. Wait, is there like a life bar for that, or? Yeah. Come on, yeah, just focus on me, guy. Don't even worry about that giant, like, thing of dynamite. Oh my gosh, shut the hell up, I know. It's cool, buddy. It's cool. Alright, gotta get this guy. Ah, shit. Alright, I can get this guy. Alright, come on, come on, come on. What the f- No! God damn it, I died. Oh my god. I gotta do that shit all over again. That's alright, I'll get it this time. I'll get it this time.
Well, that was a crappy party.
It sure was.
Dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't blame me, fire.
Come on, let's get this shit done.
Do not let the fire zombie touch the dynamite.
I know, you told me.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook.
I know, right? Fucking Facebook. Oh, Showtime. Motherfucking Facebook all day.
Exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Come on. Come on. Bring it. Freaking done.
Oh, man. This Major League sucks.
I know, right? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. No, you don't, buddy. No, you do not. No access for you. Come on. Man, oh, I'm gonna have such a bad rating. Oh, it's gonna be terrible.
Do not let the fire
I know, I got this shit, man. I got this. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, sweet. I'm getting closer. Alright. Oh shit. Okay. Come on, come here.
keep the fire zombies away from that.
God damn it. Alright, come on. God damn it. No! 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 Alright, come on.
Do not let the fire zombies
I know, dude. What is this? I got this. Come on. No! 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 Alright. What the hell? Who the hell got past me? What the f— oh my god. I didn't even see anything go past me. God dang it.
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Mm-hmm.
Don't blame me, fire.
One shall stand. One shall fall.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook.
Come on. Get that lollipop.
You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Like, come on.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Yeah.
Zombies away from that dumb cake.
Come on. Come on. Oh, the little dash thing is freaking good. Alright. No, no, you don't, buddy. God dang it. Oh my god. I will not die again. Come on.
Oh man, this Major League sucks.
I know, right? Freaking dying all the time. Yeah. Oh shit. Don't you dare touch my birthday cake. That's my birthday cake.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
Come on now. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. God, get away! This is not your cake! Happy birthday to me, not you. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, this is it. Oh, you understand. God, this song is... Why is this song not in the top charts right now? This is way better than any Justin Bieber song or, like, any other freaking whatever newcomers that are coming out. I won? Yes! Sweet. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I gotta run. Just get out of here quickly, like last time. Yep, let's go. Okay, I just run. Boom, boom! Alright, sweet. What? Get the hell out of my chest!
Genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy.
It's a gay pirate.
He went to school with us.
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well,
Why?
everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
How is... Wow. This dude's a
Why did you
faggot.
do this to my school?
What? You didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey, leave her alone. Wait till I get my hands on you, dude.
Yeah! Reality sinks in.
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm.
Drinking me some Dr. Pepper.
At the dawn is present. May your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear. Now!
Sweet. So is this guy a zombie or just a goth geek? Or both? Not again. What the f- Get the hell out of here.
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate
This dude sounds so familiar.
and rot every living thing in the school along the way. I did it! Alright, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
Alright.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
You don't give a shit. Mm-hmm.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Oh.
The ritual commences!
Let's play.
Piss off!
Okay. So you just shot me across, like, the whole town?
Oh, hell.
Right. Freaking concert. Hell yeah. Oh, this dude's voice is terrible. I'm leaving. I want my money back.
Rock zombie dead! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze!
God, his voice sounds familiar. I need to, like, look up all their, like, all the voice actors.
Wow, what?
The hell?
I'm gonna rock your brains out! Literally!
You're so funny.
No one told me we're gonna have to deal deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroyed.
Ooh, name drops.
Love that song, Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you.
That's not a catchphrase.
I think you pissed your pants!
Shit! Look out!
Hell yeah. Freaking boss.
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
That wouldn't really make it a good guitar, buddy.
Mega irritating.
Yeah, I know, right?
How do you like the spotlight, slag?
Why does he keep calling me a slag? Is that like a slang term for whore or something like that? Something new is in the chop shop. Alright. Freaking easy. Easy peasy. Alright. Come on. Come on! Alright. Let's get this shindig rolling, come on. Alright. 5 full lollipops.
The very best kind.
Well, I should have just used it. I don't know why I didn't. I'm an idiot.
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
Oh shit.
He made a stage from all the cars in San Romero.
Oh my god. Total waste of a Volvo.
A Lobo. There's too much slang in here. Yeah. Done, sucker. You are done. Yep. Alright.
Welcome to the big show!
Oh shit. Shit. Yeah. I'm just bouncing all around.
Fuck! What a douchebag! Quit destroying shit for no reason.
I gotta fight that dude.
Get out of my way.
Wow.
Time to get hardcore! You zombie hunting slut!
Okay, slut. There we go. I don't know what the hell he said before, like sleaze. What the hell is that? Right. Oh man. I need to finish up my double riser. That's what I need to do. Still building this dude. Good news though, it'll be done tonight. Like right now it's about 7 p.m. So I'm working on the weapons. So I should be able to be done with it fairly soon. Alright, so I'll see you later. Ciao.